Hello, this is Hero from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 9 of beginner course. In the previous video, we discussed why we use edge beveler and how to choose the right sides for different leather thickness. Today, we are jumping to practical side and focus on beveling straight edges using the edge bevelers. First, let's discuss how to hold the edge bevelers. I hold my edge beveler like this. Some people prefer to grip it shorter, but I find that this way provides the most stability. Try holding it and find what feels the most comfortable for you. Once you're ready, let's start beveling this straight edge. So how was that? The motion probably seems simple, but there are two important points to keep in mind for successful beveling, whether it's a straight or curved edge. The first point is the angle of edge beveler. If the blade is held too steep, like this, the edge beveler might catch on the leather, leaving rough, uneven cuts. To avoid that, you need to find the angle where the blade glides smoothly into the leather. If you are new to this, it's best to start with a shallow angle and gradually adjust until you find the sweet spot where the blade cuts cleanly. This method minimizes mistakes. Starting with too steep angle can make recovery difficult. So, start shallow and work your way up. Later on, with practice, you will be able to find the right angle immediately without thinking about it. The second important point is the tilt of the blade. If the tilt is shallow, the bevel will look like this. But if you tilt the blade more, can you see the difference? The shallow cut is here, and the deeper one is here. The difference is clear at a glance. While it might seem like you should always tilt more based on this diagram, the tilt of the beveler depends on your preference. The real issue is when the tilt of the edge beveler changes during beveling. Let me show you. When the tilt is inconsistent, like this, you will end up with a rough, uneven finish. So once you decide on the angle and tilt, stick with it throughout the entire beveling. Compared to the bad example I just showed, you will notice the clean, consistent edge. As you can see, both the angle of the edge beveler and its tilt are key to getting smooth, even result. How was it? Today, we focused on beveling straight edges, but these same points apply when working with curves too. When you practice, don't just go through the motions. Please keep these tips in mind to achieve clean, even bevels each time. Thanks for watching until the end. See you in the day 10 video. Bye.